You have the time of your life every single night. The confetti's raining down. You put your hands to the sky, center of the crowd. You're the talk of the town. And I tell myself I don't want that. What glitters isn't gold. I tell myself I don't need.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. This is a brand new vlog. It's been a while since I vlogged, but I want to vlog this weekend because it's my husband's birthday. So he's not at home right now, so I can talk freely. I want to open this vlog before he gets home because your girl has something up her sleeve. So I am hosting a surprise birthday lunch, okay, for him. So I did reach out to a few of his really, close friends. He does not have a really big circle. So I did reach out to some of them. And most of them did say they were going to come. So he doesn't know, at least in my opinion, he doesn't know yet. So let's see how we're going to pull it off. I'm not trying to get him, I'm not trying to do like the full-blown surprise thing where you gotta get him out of the house and all of that. Because he's really curious. So he's going to find out. So I'm not going to do all that. He probably will find out like an hour or two when they bring me the rental. Because I had to rent out like a 6-foot round table with some chairs and stuff like I did with my birthday. If you guys did not watch my birthday celebration last year, I will link that. It was really nice. It was an all-girls moms and mimosa party. So when they do bring in the rental, he would definitely find out that there's something going on. But at least that's just going to be like 2-hour window before the actual party starts. So it's not a big one, but I want to make it really nice for him. Because, no, it's a grown-up party. It's a grown-up lunch party. So, yeah, it's supposed to start at 3 tomorrow, being Saturday. So, right now it's 8:16 p.m. We got back not too long. I just had to run a few errands. And, so, yeah, that's what this vlog is about. So, welcome to the vlog. I hope you guys stay to the end and see how everything turned out. I'll be happy. And my name is Mansa, by the way. If this is your first time on this channel, my name is Mansa. And on this channel, I do a lot of shop with me videos. I do lifestyle content like this one. I also do some unboxing. I like shopping. So I do share some of my stuff with you. And I also do have a cooking channel called MansaAnkara, which is also here on YouTube. So yeah, enough of that. When I came back home, I found this box from Zara. I got a package from Zara. I already know what's in here. And it's not mine, by the way. Yeah, it's not mine. I bought some stuff for my friends. So, let's open it. I love me some Zara packaging. Zara does it good. If you know, you know. And these are shoes, by the way. In case I didn't say it, these are shoes for my friends. So, let's open the first one. Let's see. Ooh, wait. Is this not? Wait. Oh, yeah. Okay, it's the shoe. So, I have something similar, okay? I have something similar, but mine is from DSW. So, Zara has the semi-annual sale. I think it's still going on as of the time I'm filming this video. So I got something similar for my friend, and it's so pretty. I gotta reduce the exposure so you guys can really see what it looks like. Hold on. Wow, look at that. This looks so beautiful. And do you see the heel? The heel is absolutely gorgeous. Can you see that? It will support a whole lot of weight because it has that, yeah, it's bigger right here, so it will support your weight really good. So I like it a whole lot. This is for my friend. Friend, you know yourself, okay? And this is the second pair. Okay. Oh, this looks so small. How can my friend's feet be this small? And I wear like a size 10. Like, what? You're making me look bad. Hold on. Oh, this is beautiful. This is even prettier than I thought. Look at it. This is what it looks like. So it's like asymmetrical. So it's covered on this side right here. As you can see, it is covered on this side, but on this side it is open, so you can see right there. So open here and covered on the other side. And this is what the heel looks like. So just a simple heel, but really nice. I like it. Yep. So this obviously is for a different person, because this is a bigger, this is smaller than the other one. So yeah, this is like a 6.5. So yeah, I got them on really good deal. It was good deal. So I said, okay, I don't really need more shoes, so I could get them for my friends. So yeah. Talking about shoes, I also saw that Miss Lola was doing the sale. You guys know I love shoes. I love Miss Lola. It is really affordable. So I found this animal print that I also got for my friend. Okay, it comes with this rhinestone detail strap that goes around your ankles right here, okay? But this is what the actual shoe looks like. This is what the actual shoe looks like. It's pretty nice. And the heel, it looks pretty comfortable. Yeah, so this is the last heel. This is what the heel looks like. It's pretty nice. I like it. Okay, you guys, I am so tired. Oh, also from Zara. Hold on a little bit. This has turned out to be an unboxing video. I also got a pair of earrings, 2 pairs of earrings from Zara. Okay, that looks a lot better. So yeah, it has like a pearl detail right here. Then it has this silver ball dangling, and it looks so beautiful. And you know what? I might just wear these earrings tomorrow. I feel like adding a pop of silver tomorrow. So yeah, these are really nice statement earrings. And by the way, they are super, super lightweight. Really lightweight. And you guys, these are the second, this is the second pair of earrings that I got also from Zara. It is gold. Let me focus on it. So yeah, it's gold and it's like shells, like seashell. There you go. And it is really lightweight as well. So you got 4 of those dangling. Super, super nice. Yeah, those are my 2 Zara earrings that I just got. So I'm gonna leave you guys right now. I gotta charge my, what's it called? My Rode microphone, my wireless microphone. I was gonna use it right now when I started filming this video, this vlog, but I haven't used it in so long. It died, so I want to plug it in real quick, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Wish me luck. You guys are gonna see everything that's going down anyway. Why am I saying wish me luck?
The next day.
You guys, good morning. It's like 12 o'clock right now, so it's afternoon.
Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time.
Ready to talk, baby, can be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me, or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you, just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride. Is there a chance that we could make another try? I think we're meant to be, didn't wanna say goodbye. If there's a chance, just tell me how. Cause time is precious, time is now.
Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time.
No, I was dumb, baby, just way too young, baby. I was too blind to see what you meant to me. The things you can't forgive, didn't know how to live, cause I didn't love myself. Wish I could turn back time, go back and do things right. Give you a wedding ring, give you my everything, and be there by your side. Share a life and have a child.
Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time.
So you guys already saw me taking out my chairs. They used to be right here. I was gonna take the table as well out into the garage, but I kind of changed my mind. So first of all, I want to free up this space right here, my bar stools. I want to leave it so people can have room to get their food and all of that. So last minute, I decided to leave it here with the 2 bar stools, right? So let's see. because I got my friend bringing the table and chairs here, which are supposed to sit right here. So I'm gonna see if I should keep this here or take it out like I wanted to and just put chairs on the wall, like against the wall. So I'm not sure, but for now this is what it looks like. I got my table covers from Amazon, and I didn't have the sash, so I just used one of my curtain ties to tie it down, and it looks really good. And this, of course, you guys should have already seen this. I had this since Christmas, so I just put that right here. And we got two. I was gonna use it more for like a cocktail table, but I might as well put some stuff here, like the toolbars too. So let's see what I end up keeping. That's the update. I just told the kids that Daddy has a surprise birthday party. I never told them. I just told them. What do you think, kiddos? Yeah. You excited? Are you gonna tell him?
In trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy.
Okay, so I already put the beer and other alcoholic drinks in this cute ice bucket that I got from Home Goods. Yeah, it looks so cute. And I also have some white wine chilling in here. So the red wine I'm just gonna sit, and then I'm gonna have my non-alcoholic drinks too. So yeah, this is really nice. Hello?
Okay, so Miss World of Tire taking over Mansa Queen, or is this At Home with Mansa? At Home with Mansa's camera here. So we just have this very beautiful setup going on. You would have already seen that we're going with this team. We have the gold, black and white, and this looks so masculine, so elegant. And we also have the setup right here for like extra seating. And we have this very special cookies. These are so nice. They're like a mixture of tools and like real estate stuff. This one says sold, welcome. It's so aesthetically pleasing. I'm not sure if Miss Mansa showed this, but we have some adult drinks here that are cooling right now. This one is so good, even though, you know, I don't really drink alcohol, but this is so nice. I think it's white wine. And then we have some napkins here. And we've had some of the food that's coming. We have the meat pie right here. And I believe this is some grilled chicken that looks so good. Moving on, we have the grilled fish. Look at that. Look at that in the shrimps. We have the plantains going. Let's look what we have here. Okay, that's moi moi or olele. I'm not sure what's in here. Do you know what's in here?
This is oh, that's the goat meat. No, I can do that. That's the goat meat beef combo. The goat with the jollof rice.
You see that? All that flavor. Nice. And I believe this last one is the jollof rice. That's gonna be the Niger jollof, since this is a Niger celebration. So we have to get this.
Whoa.
Yeah. Get into it.
Sounds good.
Okay.
And then we have potato salad and beef.
Yeah, we do have other stuff coming, so do stick around. I might take over Mansa's camera today. So Mansa, say hi.
Hostess with the mostest. Argue with your keyboard.
Your name? Our brother.
Make our prayers to Christ our Lord. Amen. And this food that we're going to share, and this fellowship that we continue to share.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life billar jag. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunnat ge förut. Det finns ju ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. på det jag lägger all min tid och jag vill ha det, du får mig känna safety. Ni kan nog leda baby och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än det. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig.
One eternity later.
It is the next day, the next evening actually. So my sister already helped me to do the dishes. She did everything. So grateful for her. World of Tar. Show her some love. Yeah, I need to wipe this table. We were able to get the floors and everything mopped, and I brought back my furniture. As you can see, those black stuff are just my napkins that we used yesterday. I want to wash them separately. I'm actually washing the, what is it called again? Chair covers. Yep. So I'm gonna go wash the napkins maybe tomorrow. I'm tired. Yeah, I got the chair covers in there and I'm about to dry them. And I also have in the dryer my linen, my other linen, the table covers. That's what I have in there. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna dry these and let go of the napkins till tomorrow. These are polyester napkins, by the way. They are just simple, just cheap, nothing fancy, and they are from Amazon. So yeah, and they really came in handy. So that's where I'm at. Man, I am so tired. I could not even vlog a lot last night. You probably could tell. And of course, I don't really vlog a lot when I have guests over. So yeah. And then over here in the garage, as you can see, I got the big old table. You guys, I ordered this. I rented the 6-foot table, but man, it is so big. But it really did the job because I wanted something bigger so that, you know, everybody can sit around and we can all have a good time. So we just folded that. Now I need to figure out the schedule to return it because I need to return it tomorrow. And as you can see, my food warmers, they are all back. Everything has been washed. My sister washed every single one of them. And then I wiped them and put them away in their boxes. I saved the boxes. I even saved the plastics that they come in. That way it's just easy to put away. And that way when next time you need it, it is nice and ready to go. I just have to give it a quick rinse and wipe. And yeah, I love it so much. And then these are the rest of my rental. This was the cocktail table that had the cake on it, and then these are the chairs. I did not even end up using these white chairs for real. That was just an extra $40-something that I wasted, but it's okay. I thought I was gonna need it. I'd rather have more than less. So these were the ones that I used, the brown ones that I ended up using with my chair covers. I only got that one linen from them, which is the one that I put on this table. So that's all I'm taking back to the rental place. So yeah, everything went so smoothly. As you can see, my bar stuff are up there. My ice buckets and my dispensers, everything has been put away and ready for the next hosting, okay? Hostess with the mostest. Peace. And I am going to end the vlog right here, you guys. I'm going to end it right here. I am so tired. I did not even pick up the camera all day. I slept like a baby. I got up, I ate breakfast, I went back to bed. I was that tired. So yeah, I'm just in the bathroom actually, just trying to make sure everything is okay. So yeah, I am going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give your girl a thumbs up, okay? And I will be posting more fall shop with me videos and stuff, so stay tuned for that. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye.